Salutations, Proboscis2 here, and today I thought I'd share with you how to create custom sound effects for the PlayStation 2 version of SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Bikini Bottom.
SpongeBob SquarePants on the PS2.
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 As well as the rest of the Heavy Yarn Renderer games, probably too.
SpongeBob SquarePants on the PS2. SpongeBob SquarePants on the PS2. SpongeBob on the PS2.
God damn, that's annoying!
Now, to follow along with this tutorial, you'll need 4 things. Audacity, a tool for converting sound files to the PlayStation 2 VAG sound format called MF Audio, a hex editor, I'll be using HXD, and lastly, the level editor, Industrial Park. The first step we need to cover is opening our custom sound in Audacity and preparing it for conversion. This is the custom sound I'll be importing.
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
First thing we need to do here is go to the Project Rate drop-down menu and select 22,050 Hz. Next, select the audio, navigate to the Tracks menu, go to Mix, and select Mix Stereo down to Mono. Now I'm going to make my sound louder just because I feel like it.
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
Now we can export. So go to File, Export, and Export as Wave. Name the file whatever you'd like. Press OK.
Bill Cosby is a stand-up comedian born July 12, 1937. George Carlin was also a stand-up comedian born on May 12, 1937. Bill Cosby and George Carlin are the same. Bill Cosby is the elastic, spastic, plastic, fantastic dance with George Carlin.
The next step we need to cover is converting the WAV file we generated into a PlayStation 2 VAG. Run the MF Audio application, click the Open button, then navigate to and select the WAV file we exported from Audacity. Go to the File Format drop-down menu underneath the Output Audio file bar and select VAG. Next, click the Save As button and name the file whatever you'd like. Click the Process button and press OK when the file conversion is complete.
You mean? No. Get out of here. That's a ding-dong dandy! What the fuck are you so happy about? I just got off the cell phone with my doctor and found out my wife has cancer.
I feel good. I knew that I would not. I feel good. I knew that I would not. So good, so good. I got you.
I didn't know you were married.
The third step we need to cover is preparing the VAG file we generated for importing into Industrial Park. And to do this, we need to convert the 32-bit values at offsets 4, C, and 10 from Big Endian to Little Endian. To do this, we need to retype each of the 4 bytes that start at each offset in reverse order. If you do not do this step, then your custom sound will not play in-game. Once this is done, save the file and exit your hex editor.
Donald Morrison was one of those characters who, had it not been for the graphic nature of his online conversation with someone he thought was a young teenage girl, it would be comical. What's going on?
I don't know, I just was talking to her and she said come down and visit her. I have a compulsion for younger women, just meeting them. I've met about a dozen of them online.
And tonight, though, you were willing to come meet a 15-year-old.
Oh man, this is so embarrassing. I can't believe I got caught doing this. Yeah, I know. Now that that's over, let's be friends. Yay, let's have a party and eat some Cheetos. You want some milk? Oh, how hospitable. Let's watch Care Bears. Okay.
There's lots of things to like, and the bears are really nice here in Carolot. In Carolot.
You know, this actually isn't that bad.
Sky is always blue,
No, it isn't.
There's lots of things to do here in Carolot. In Carolot.
And now it's finally time to import our custom sound into the game via Industrial Park. There are some things I should mention about this part that don't apply to other versions of the game. First of all, we need to import our sounds into a level's respective HIP file instead of the hop file. We need to do this in order to counteract a bug caused by importing sounds into HIP or hop files containing SND assets. The bug causes random SND assets to play in place of each other. I will now display footage of this bug.
We can't jellyfish today. I'm going fishing for robots. Ouch! Ow! Pow!
The second thing I should mention is that you should always import your custom sound as an SNDS asset, because if you import your sound as an SND asset, the game will straight up crash. Now that I've explained all that, open the HIP and hop files of the level you want to import your custom sound into. Go to the Layer drop-down menu in the Hop window and select the Sound Table of Contents layer. Copy and paste the sound info asset from the Sound Table of Contents layer into the Hop to that of the HIP file. Now you may close the Hop file. Now that it's copied over, highlight the sound info asset and click the Edit Data button. Click the SND entries array, then highlight and remove all the entries. Now do the exact same for the SNDS array. Now we can import our custom sound into the HIP's SRAM layer. Select the layer from the drop-down menu and press the Import button. Select SNDS as the asset type, then click the Import Raw Data button. Select your VAG file and press OK. Now the file is imported, but we still need to trim the header and send it to the sound info asset. So highlight the SNDS asset, click the Edit Data button, be sure the Trim Header and Send It to SNDI box is checked, and import the VAG file. Now if I go back to the SNDS array and the SNDI, you should see the header to our custom sound. Now to test my custom sound, I'm going to replace the sound asset for the Triumph SFX asset in JFO1 with that of my custom sound. And that's it. My sound is in the game now, so I will leave you with the footage of the sound in action. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.
Sometimes pushing a simple button is the most satisfying. Push, 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 push.
Yeah, baby.
Und nun, dass wir unsere Kundschaft ernst nehmen, das zeigt sich durch Produktraumgestaltung der Kommunikationsräume. Schauen Sie sich mal um, da haben Sie Module und Designs und so weiter und so fort. Da habe ich zwar schon mal gesagt, nur die Spezialisten, die wir verstehen Sie.